Here comes part of the catwalk.
Tormenta Rampaging Run's construction is coming along very nicely. I had the opportunity to take an exclusive backstage construction tour to see how the assembly of this record-breaking attraction is going. Enjoy this video featuring never-before-seen views, photography, and a brief interview with Regional General Manager Jeffrey Siebert.
Oh, here we go into the construction zone here at Tormenta Rampaging Run. This is gonna be super cool. I cannot wait. Oh, wow. This is crazy. Wow.
So right behind is Tormenta.
Being so close to this ride during its construction really puts into perspective how crazy this thing is and just how huge this drop and these elements are. Like I said yesterday, if you guys watched the opening day vlog, the loop is taller than Dr. Diabolical's cliffhanger at Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. The mid-course is about 130 feet tall. Jeffrey Siebert just confirmed that to a couple of us, but that is almost as tall as cliffhanger. So that is insane, just to put that into perspective.
Well, hello everybody, I'm Jeffrey Siebert, Regional General Manager for the great state of Texas, and today we're standing at Six Flags over Texas in our Tormenta construction. If you have not heard, Tormenta actually shatters 6 world records, the world's tallest, fastest, longest dive coaster on planet Earth, and also it shatters some of the world's largest loops, the world's largest vertical loop, the world's largest element. The element alone is over 218 feet, making the Hyperloop. The ride's going to open up later this summer, but we look forward to seeing everyone coming out for our 65th anniversary season at Six Flags over Texas. See you guys soon.
Isaac just pointed out that it is pretty windy out here today, and look at this support. It's like flexing and bending in the wind. That's kind of crazy. Look at all the benches. That's funny. Wow. That's crazy. Oh my goodness.
But it'll be on the second as we're coming around, so. Well, there's actually 2 spots for the
What do you think of the
That twist is crazy.
Plenty of airtime after that.
This is a really cool view, being right up next to this loop. Wow. But that is going to do it for our construction tour here at Tormenta Rampaging Run. Thank you to Ace for putting on this event for us. This was really a fun experience, getting to talk to Jeffrey for a few minutes and just getting to get super up close with the construction site. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.